Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a Firebase project and enabling cloud messaging. Do that now. Once done, register your Android, iOS, or web app and download the config file, Google Services, JSON or Google Service Info. Plist. Next, install the Firebase SDK using npm, Gradle, or Cocoa Pods and add the FCM dependency. Make sure to place the config file in the correct app folder and sync or rebuild the project. This ensures the app can receive tokens and interact with FCM immediately. You now implement the core messaging code so messages actually arrive. First, request and retrieve the FCM registration token, then send that token to your backend and store it securely. Next, implement foreground and background message handlers on message, service worker, or APNs handlers to display notifications and process data payloads. Also configure APN's key for iOS or web push credentials for browsers. Once configured, send test messages from the console or your server to verify token delivery and handler invocation. You finish by sending messages and validating behavior across devices. Use the Firebase console for simple tests, and use server APIs to send targeted or topic messages with correct payload, priority, and TTL. Make sure to monitor delivery receipts and analytics to confirm reach. If something goes wrong, refresh the registration token, confirm APNs or web push credentials, and inspect client and server logs for authentication or quota errors. This single troubleshooting step resolves most delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.